In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to summarize conversations with AI in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a clean, readable overview of a busy channel or direct message so you can catch up fast and stay focused. First, open Slack and head to your messages. Choose the channel or direct message you want to summarize. This is important because the AI summary is based only on the conversation you've selected. If you're catching up on a team channel after being out, pick that channel. If you need context from a one-on-one discussion, open that direct message. Make sure you're in the right place before you move on. Next, look to the top right of the conversation and click the three dots icon. This is often labeled as more actions. It's easy to miss if you're moving quickly, so take a second to find it. If you don't see the option you expect, your workspace may not have the feature enabled, or your Slack client might need an update. That's totally fine. Just keep going once you do see the menu. Now select Summarize Conversation. When prompted, choose the date range you want the AI to cover. This part makes a big difference. If you only missed a day, pick today or yesterday for a tighter, more focused summary. If you were out for a week or you're reviewing a project sprint, select this week, last week, or set a custom range. Narrow ranges tend to produce crisper summaries that highlight decisions, blockers, and next steps without extra noise. Longer ranges are helpful for big picture context, but expect a broader overview. Once you confirm the date range, the AI generates your summary. That's it. You'll get a concise, readable breakdown of the conversation, typically organized by key points, themes, or outcomes. Use it to spot decisions that were made, identify open questions, and understand the current status at a glance. Remember, this is an automated summary of messages you have access to, so it respects your workspace permissions. It doesn't change or remove any messages. It simply helps you interpret them faster. If the summary feels too high level or too long, adjust the date range and run it again for a sharper snapshot. Skim for names, deadlines, and action items to quickly orient yourself. And always verify any critical details in the original thread when precision matters. That's all there is to it. Open the conversation, click the three dots, choose Summarize Conversation, set your date range, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy summarizing.